Hello, my beautiful besties. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and Merry Christmas. It's Christmas, y'all. I hope that you are having a fabulous holiday. I am just here doing nails and hanging out with you guys today, anticipating the news that my daughter is headed to the hospital to have her baby. Because if she does not go into labor in the next few hours, then first thing Saturday morning, she's headed off to the hospital to get induced and have that baby. Oh, so I'm so excited. Actually, I was kind of hoping I'd already be in Vegas. I really wanted her to have the baby on my birthday, but that did not happen. So her doctor is like, he's been cooking long enough. Time to get him out of there. So while I'm waiting to hear about that, I thought I would tell you guys about some of the stuff I got for my birthday. My daughter, my other daughter, actually sent me some cool stuff for nails. And I thought that we would crack into it. We've got some of this I already had. I already had not as much as this. It used to be in a different box. I know you've seen that little blue box. It used to just be in there. But when she sent me all of the things that she sent, it was too much, because it was one little package that's all hollow, and it was like 10 little containers in there, and then a bigger package that had 40 little containers in there. So oh my goodness. So I had to figure out something else. So I borrowed this from another place in my house and rearranged things, so because there's always new stuff in the collection, right? So another thing that she sent me was this little Polygel kit by Vrenmol, and they're just little trial sizes, but they're all different shades of purple. And I thought we would crack these bad boys open and take a quick peek at them. And I'm not going to open every single one of the 50 things that she sent me, because that would be a really long video, you guys. If you want to see it, let me know, and I will do a super sped up version of that, like a behind the glam or something. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see each and every one of those, because I will take the time and do it for you, but you got to let me know that you want to see it, okay? So let me know in the comment section if you do indeed want that, because there was 50. Oh, wait, I say 50, but then I forgot about these. Then there was this dozen. So there's actually then 62, you guys. I don't even know what to say. I do a lot of showing my glitters on TikTok, so definitely follow me over there, same name. And if you're not on my Instagram, get over there too, okay? Same name. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and point you down. We're going to play. All right, let's crack this bad boy open, okay? So let's start with these. I'm not going to open them all, of course, but like I said, if you want to see that, let me know. And I will do my best to make a cute short video. But they're all either a color shift or hollow. And honestly, they mostly look hollow to me. But it's this really pretty blue, right? Oh my goodness. And let's pick this really pretty rose one. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. So we are going to have tons and tons of fun with these. And just because purple's my fave, let's give that a little look. It's almost like a grayish purple, right? Guys, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, now, there was also a set that was all silver hollow. And everything from fine all the way up to big confetti glitters. And very, very fine, little fine, silver hollow. But in that set, there was also two, where's the other one? Darn it, two like this that have these little 4-point stars. I thought there was two. Maybe there's just this one and I'm wrong because this has got different sizes. But these are going to be super, super fun. Okay, now in the bigger pack that had like 40, there were 40. There are hearts, all different colors, 12 of each kind, butterflies, so, ooh, are we gonna have some fun? Sorry guys, I'm hella shaky on that thumb for some reason. And then also, oh, let me get that close, also some stars. Look at these. How pretty are those? Oh my goodness. And my granddaughter's name is Star, so, you know, the stars just make me even extra happy. And then in that last kit, there was some foils. So we're going to have some fun with some foils as well. And we had this really pretty gold, and so 2 of gold. And then there was a silver and like a orangey bronze color as well. So guys, get ready for some glittery, glittery nails. We are going to have so much fun with that. Now, we've got this, and I thought we'd do a quick swatch of all the colors, just for fun. And then we would do one little nail, just for funsies. Okay, let me get these open. Okay guys, now that I got them all open, and trust me, it was not easy. Now one of them is a cat eye, so we're gonna play with that with this, but we'll do that like, well, we'll see. Hold on. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do a little swatch. We've got, oh, cat eye purple. That was the very first one. So let's squeeze a little bit out. Whew, it took a minute. Let's see what happens if we cat eye it. Let's see what happens. That was a little more than I meant to pull out. I'm not really seeing it move. Hold on, let's see first. Let's try something. Let's try something. Flatten it out. You might need to get really close. Huh, it doesn't really seem to move, guys. Let's try the round one. I have another one. Let's try it. Huh. It doesn't really seem to move, guys. That's a bummer. All right, let's go ahead and real quickly do the rest. We have glitter purple. Sorry, these are hard to get down there. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's tap that out too. Ooh, that is so pretty, guys. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I really, really like that. Let me zoom you guys in a little more. Oh, that's That's super nice. Let me turn this light up too. Okay, now we have light purple. Oh, and that is light. Ooh, that's pretty, you guys. Very lilac-y. Very lilac-y. Feels like it likes alcohol, which makes me happy. I don't like sticky polygel. Okay, now we have dream purple. Ooh, I can feel that. Oh, that's a very clear, glittery purple. Look how iridescent those glitters are. See if I can get this back over here. A little, a little. Oh, guys, that's going to be pretty with some of those butterflies. What do you think? Oh, I really, really like that one. Oh my goodness, yeah, that's nice. Okay, now we have glitter purple. Whew. Oh, whoo, guys. Oh. Look at that. That one is gorgeous. Guys, can you see marbles in our future here? I'm seeing marbles in our future. And we have one more, and it's called Flicker Jelly, Purple Flicker Jelly. Ooh! Oh, that's another iridescent one. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is so pretty. Oh, look at that teal in there. I'm going to pick a little glitter purple. Let's squeeze some of that out. Let's take Dream Purple. Squeeze a little of that out. And sparkling platinum and glitter purple, because they're all different kinds of their polygel. Okay, let's start with those three. And let's take a little tool here and just mash them together. Not too much, just a little. Okay, guys, now we're going to take this tip and I'm just going to scoop this up. Let's see how it works. Okay, I'm noticing a little residue on this one. I'm wondering if that is from the alcohol. The other ones don't seem to have it. But it does appear to wipe right off, so they are very gorgeous, you guys. I'm really bummed out that this doesn't seem to work because, of course, it's not going to work once it's cured, but I'm going to play with it more. Maybe I just need to do a much thinner coat of it or layer of it. But those are beautiful colors, you guys. Let's go ahead and hit this with some top coat and see that glittering shine. Oh, wow, that's pretty. That is super, super pretty. All right, besties. Thank you so much for coming by today. I hope you had a great Christmas. These were my birthday presents from my daughter, and I really hope that you enjoyed them as much as I'm going to enjoy them. I think they're so pretty. Look at these. Look at those. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am going to have a blast with these and all the glitters. All the glitters. Thanks again for coming by. We are going to see you next week for more awesome content. Until then, have a wonderful weekend and a Merry Christmas. Mwah. Bye-bye.